subject to the provisions of this act, the pay and all other conditions of service of members of the subordinate ranks of police force shall be such as may be determined by the state government. Full stop. Section 7 provides that subject to the provisions of Article 311 of the Constitution and to such rules as the state government may from time to time make under the Act, the Director cum Inspector General may at any time dismiss, suspend or reduce any police officer of subordinate ranks who is thought to be remiss or negligent in the discharge of his duties or unfit for the same, or may award one of the punishment mentioned in the provision. Stop. Section 8 provides that every police officer appointed to the police force shall receive on appointment a certified in the form annexed to the act by virtue of which such a person is vested with the powers, functions and privileges of a police officer. Full stop. When the person named in the certificate ceases to be a police officer, the certificate shall cease to have effect and it would have to be surrendered forthwith. Full stop. Section 12 confers upon the Director General cum Inspector General the power to make rules and is in the following terms. Full stop. Stanza. The Director General cum Inspector General may from time to time, subject to the approval of the state government, frame such orders and rules as he shall deem expedient relating to the organization, classification and distribution of the police force, the places at which the members of the force shall reside and the particular services to be performed by them, their inspection, the description of arms, agreement and other necessaries to be furnished to them, he collecting and commensurate by them of negligence and information and all such other orders and rules relating to the police force as the Inspector General shall from time to time deem expedient for preventing abuse or neglect of duty and for rendering such force efficient in the discharge of its duties. Full stop. Section 23 provides for the duties of police officers. Full stop. A rule-making power is conferred upon the state government under Section 46 within bracket 2 full stop under clause within bracket C of subsection within bracket 2 of Section 46. The following provision has been made. Full stop. When the whole or any part of this act shall have been so extended, the state government may from time to time by notification in the official gazette make rule consistent with this act. Stop.